remedy that is coming very close to Drosera and the family Saraceniales or the order is python. Python and Boidae. The Boidae group has similar thing. They trap you and they suffocate you. It is from all the sides that it is getting less, you are getting trapped, you are getting inside and you cannot breathe. Very close snake remedies. Because deception is one of the things in snake remedies too. They deceive you. You cannot even know that the snake has deceived you. Especially the Crotalinae group. Hidden. May the Naja and the group are more upfront, but the Crotalinae is more hidden. Another remedy that is very close to Drosera in physicals is Epicac. But Epicac has clean tongue. Epicac has clean tongue. Another remedy that is Entimtat, thick tongue and rattling in chest. Epicac has whooping cough, nausea and asthmatic wheezing. This is the kind of voice that comes when child is sleeping, when the person is sleeping, when the patient is sleeping, or even when he is breathing. When you examine. Another remedy is Sina, but it has worm symptoms along with it. So keep in mind, when you study like this, study from all the angles. Study from all the angles. Okay? So see you with some other video, other remedy, some other day. Goodbye and enjoy learning.